In today's video, I'll be showing you how to save any captured photos or videos on your SD card on the Samsung Galaxy A24. So first, open the camera app and then access your camera settings by tapping on the settings icon. Next, scroll down until you find in storage location. So tap on that and select SD card from these two options. So once you've selected SD card, you'll notice that whenever you take a photo, for example, taking a photo of your AirPods, like that, when you go to the gallery, you open this photo you've just taken and you've checked its details, you'll notice that the file location has changed from internal storage to the SD card. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.